Okay, welcome back. So yesterday we focused on solving multi-step equations that we get an actual value for, like x equals 3, or y equals 5, or z equals -10. So today we're going to focus on rearranging equations where nothing really goes away. We're just going to manipulate the equations so that we isolate the value we want. Okay, so in this first equation, we have a plus 3 equals b. So in that equation, we have two variables, okay, a and b. So a and 3, they can't be combined. They're not like terms. But if I want to get a isolated, what I can do is subtract 3 from both sides. But now when I get to this right side, b minus 3, those can't be combined either. They are not like terms. So the best thing I can do is have a equals b minus 3. So this would actually be my final answer for a problem that looks like this. All right, let's move on to this problem to the right. I want to isolate c. Okay, I'm going to isolate c, which means I want to get plus d minus 4e and this 9 all the way to the other side of the equation. Okay, so let's try to do that. Let's work on that d first. So I'm going to get that positive d to the other side of this equation. Ooh. Okay, so minus d, let's rewrite what we have right now. 9c, because I didn't touch that part, and then the d's will cancel out. Okay, I still have a minus 4e, so that can drop down. And then 14 and minus d, I actually can't combine those, so the best thing I can do right now is just write 14 minus d. Okay, so let's try to attack this negative 4e, and what I can do with this is make it a positive 4e. Add plus 4e on both sides. Okay, so when we get here, let's make a line. These negative 4e and positive 4e will cancel out. The only thing I have left on my other side is this 9c. And that equals 14 minus d. And now I'm going to add that 4e to the right side. Okay, the last thing we need to do is get rid of this 9. And it's connected to c with multiplication. So the way that I get rid of that is that I will divide both sides by 9. And do you see how I'm actually dividing the whole entire right side? 14 minus d plus 4e by 9. Okay? So what happens is that these 9s cancel out. 9 divided by 9 becomes 1. So now I'm just left with c. So now I have my final answer coming into play. c equals 14 minus d plus 4e, 4e, all over 9. And so it looks crazy complicated, but it's actually my final answer. This is what c equals in terms of the other variables.